This here is a slip knot. A slip knot is the first step in almost all crochet projects. There are multiple ways to create slip knots, and some can be a little confusing. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate 3 simple ways to create slip knots, which will help all those beginner crocheters to start their work. So here are 3 different ways to do the slip knots and to get you started. For method number 1, place the tail end of the yarn on one side, hold on to it with your dominant hand, and with your other hand bring the working yarn. The working yarn is the yarn that goes to the ball, and bring that yarn over, making a loop like so. Now with your dominant hand, make a beak with your thumb and index finger like so, and put that beak inside that loop, making sure you don't move anything. Now once you have that beak inside that loop, just lift that loop and pull that working yarn from the loop like so. Now you have these 2 yarn ends hanging from this loop, so just hold on to it and pull this loop tight, creating a slip knot. Now all you need to do is insert your hook inside this loop, and to tighten this loop, pull the working yarn. If you wish to loosen it, pull the yarn tail. To tighten, pull the working yarn. So that was method number 1. For the second method, again take your yarn tail end and again make a loop like so, and pinch it down your thumb and fingers. Now take a crochet hook and insert it from the front, or you can say the top, and twist it once like this and making a cross. Now pinch that twist with your working hand like so, and with your other hand hold the working yarn like you normally would while crocheting. Once you've done that, swap that pinch from this hand to the other hand and make sure that twist is pinched properly. Now just yarn over with your crochet hook and pull up a loop. Now release everything, and these 2 yarn tails that you can see, yarn ends, hold on to it and just pull that loop on your crochet hook, creating a slip knot. Now again, to tighten, pull the working yarn, and to loosen, pull the tail. So that was method number 2. For the third method, take the tail end of the yarn and wrap it around your fingers like so, and bring it on the other side, creating an X, and pinch it in between your ring finger and your thumb. Now take the working yarn and again make a loop like you did before, and bring it over and again pinch it in between those 2 fingers again. Now you have 2 loops on your fingers, the back loop and the front loop. So now bring that back loop over the front loop and over your fingers and release it. Now hold on to these 2 ends of yarns and this loop and just pull that loop on your fingers tight, creating a slip knot. Now again, take your crochet hook, insert your hook in that loop that you just created, and to tighten this loop again, pull that working yarn to tighten it, and if you want to loosen it, again pull the tail. So these were the 3 simple methods of creating slip knots. So go ahead and try all of them and learn which one works the best for you. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, do leave a comment down below. And if you liked the video, please like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.